I want to welcome you all to this training. Right, so in this training, we are going to be learning how to apply for your international passport from using your mobile phone. Alright, so I'm going to drop the link to the website on the comment section. So make sure that you check the description of this video and the comment section so that you can get access to the link to apply. Alright, so once you log into the page that you can apply, this is how the page look like. So you can apply for your international passport. Then for people that are outside the country that want to come into Nigeria, they can also apply for Nigeria visa. Right, so to apply for your international passport, you click on apply on the international passport space, so it will take you to this place. So you click on apply again, then it will bring you to this interface. So if you are outside Nigeria, you want to apply for Nigeria international passport, you click on apply from outside Nigeria. But if you are in Nigeria, if you want to apply, click on continue. So it will bring you to this page. So you can also track your, if you have applied for your international passport before, you can also track it from this page. So you can monitor it from this page, or you can also apply for your international passport here, or you can renew it from here. So if you want to check availability of different centers that are close to you, you can click on this one. So we want to apply for a new one, so you click on start new application. Right, so it will bring you to this interface. So what you need to do is you click on apply for a fresh passport. But if you want to renew your passport, or if you want to reissue passport, click on reissue passport. But want to apply for a new passport, so click on apply for a fresh passport. So you choose the type of passport I want to apply for. So if it is official passport or a standard passport, you can apply for this will depend on the type you want, but you want to apply for standard passport. Then you choose your age. So what is the age bracket? From 0 to 17, 18 to 59, 60 and above. So I want to apply for 18 to 59. Then you choose the processing state. So which of the states are you want to process the passport from? So we are processing from Delta. Then you choose your processing office. So depend on your location. So I'm in Warri, so I'm choosing Warri. Then you choose the type of booklet that you want. So we have 32 pages and we have 64 pages. So they have the different amount. For the 32 pages, depend on your states. And so for 32 pages for 5 years, it's about 25,000 naira. Then if I choose the 64 pages for 5 years, it's 35,000 naira. Then for the 32, if I choose the 32 pages for 10 years, for 10 years is 70,000 naira for the 64 pages. So just depend on the one you want to apply for. So you can see that with 25,000 naira you can apply for your international passport. So once you click on you choose the one you want to select. So for example, we are going for the one of 32 pages. So once you are done, that is 25,000. That is the amount you need to pay. So you click on I'm not sure, but then click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will bring you to this interface. So you choose your title. So if you are Mr., Mrs. or Miss, you choose the one. Then you enter your surname. Then you enter your first name. So depend on how many names you are using. So make sure that all the information you are entering, they are correct. If you have a middle name, enter the middle name. So that one is optional. So you enter your date of birth. So make sure that the date of birth is correct with your NIN or your voter's card. Place of birth. So you choose your gender, you choose your occupation, so you enter your national identity number. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to enter it. Then you enter your email. So once you are done, then you click on continue. So once you are done, you click on continue. It will now take you to the contact information where you enter your contact. Then after that, you now take you to, you fill in the contact information, that is your address, phone number, all of that. Then after that, it will now take you to the next page of your next of kin. So you fill in the details of your next of kin. So once you are done, then you submit, then you make your payment. So that's how to apply for your international passport. Alright, so to track your international passport, let's go back. To track your international passport, I'm going to send the link, or now you can track it. So this is the link, so I'm going to send it to the description. So make sure you check the description section to get the link. So you are going to be, once you submit, you make your payment and submit your details, they're going to give you an application number. So you can use that number, application number and reference number, to always track your identity, to check if it's ready for you to go and pick it up. Then another thing you also need to do is you also print out guarantor's form. Now the guarantor form is somebody that is have already somebody that have an international passport, so that person is going to stand as a guarantor for you. So you print out this form and make sure that the person is signed on this form. So or then you also book an appointment with the center that you choose. So they're going to give you a day that you will go for your capturing. So once that day reach, make sure that you carry all your documents, you print out all the form that you're going to be given online, and every other thing. So you take them to the immigration center where they give to you, that where you choose, and make sure that you don't miss that day, because if you miss the date, you're going to enter into a problem that will lead you to you making payments for other things. So you make sure that you don't miss the dates of your appointment. So once you get to the date of appointment, you carry all your documents, you go to your immigration center for capturing. Then you're also going to take they're going to take an oath when you get to the immigration center. So they're going to charge you 1,000 naira. So everything you're going to spend for your to get your international passport, everything is not it's not more than, you are not going to spend more than 30,000 naira. So that's how to apply for your international passport. So if you get value for this video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, so that other people will get to see this information. Also make sure that you share this video. Alright, so I will see you in my other video. Thank you.